Hi, I'm TJ with Forensic Detailing Garage located here in Cranbrook, New South Wales, Australia, and today we're going to be cleaning this trash car. So the machinery and equipment I'm using today is very basic. What happened was my normal carpet shampoo machine died. Went to go see how much it was going to cost to get fixed, and it was just ridiculous. So I've switched over to a really basic system. It's highly effective, does the same job, and really happy with the results. So we're using very minimum water, and we're using a Bunnings Special extractor and my air compressor to get the job done. I bought the extractor at Bunnings. It's called a Nozito. It's a 20-liter container. It runs about $50 to $60. The kettle's from Kmart. It's about $15. Chemical-wise, I'm using P&S carpet cleaner, the three-step system. I believe I'm using 3D's gum and tar remover. Then the professional chemical I'm using is Amsol's food, blood, and protein remover. If you're going to get this product, remember it's a professional product. You need to wear eye protection and respirator, or you're going to have a really bad day. The brushes I'm using are soft, not firm, and I'm not putting a lot of pressure down. I'm letting the chemicals do all the work for me. And then, of course, I'm going to extract everything when I'm done.